Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open Gmail. In your browser and sign into your primary account first. Use a desktop or laptop for full settings and profile features. Have your other account emails and passwords ready before you begin. Confirm each secondary account can sign in on another device. Enable two-factor authentication on each account for safer multi-account access. Keep recovery email and phone numbers up to date for every account. Allow browser cookies and pop-ups temporarily while you add account. Click your profile icon, top right, and choose Add Another Account. Follow the on-screen sign-in flow using the other account email and password. Approve two-factor prompts if they appear on a phone or device. You will now see both accounts under the profile menu for quick switching. Sign out fully only when you need to remove an account from this device. Use separate Chrome profiles when you need isolated cookies and extensions. Each Chrome profile keeps bookmarks, history, and accounts separate reliably. Switch accounts via the profile menu to view separate inboxes quickly. Click the profile icon and pick the account you want to open now. Customize notifications in settings for each account to avoid message overload and interruptions. Set distinct inbox categories, labels, and filters so messages stay organized per account. Remove an account by signing out and selecting Remove from this device when you no longer need it. Regularly review connected apps and revoke access for unused apps to maintain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.